In this video, I will show you 5 awesome sports cars for under $10,000. This list is in no exact order, and at number 5 we have one of the most iconic BMWs of all time, the BMW E36. The E36 has a 3.2-litre inline-6 engine that produces a respectable 240 horsepower that packs a punch. You are able to get the E36 with either an automatic or manual transmission, and this iconic vehicle is available as a hardtop or convertible. Prices on these cars have been increasing rapidly, but you can find them for under $10,000 for now at least. Number 4 on the list is the Lexus IS300. The IS300 is one of the most underrated sports cars in my opinion, but since lately, the interest in these cars have been growing, so it'd be wise to get one while you can. The IS300 has a 2JZ GE, the non-turbo version of the motor that can be found in the legendary Toyota Supra. The 3-litre straight-six 2JZ GE produces 240 horsepower. This car has massive potential for tuning and modifications, which makes it the perfect project car. Number 3 on this list is the Infiniti G37. This quick and good-looking sports car with endless options for modifications is a great option for a car under $10,000. The G37 has a 3.7-litre V6 that produces an impressive 330 horsepower. The same engine that can be found in the Nissan 370Z. The car is available in a 6-speed manual or 7-speed automatic. Number 2 on this list is the Mazda RX8. The Mazda RX8 is powered by a 13B rotor which produces 200 horsepower of rotary goodness. This unique sports car handles extremely well and weighs in at 2,900 pounds. This car is known for being unreliable, however, with the proper maintenance, the RX8 is an awesome sports car at an affordable cost. This car has massive potential for tuning and modifications, which makes it the perfect project car. The Genesis has a V6 engine that produces 348 horsepower and 295 foot-pounds of torque. The Genesis can be found for well under $10,000 and is worth considering if you are in the market for a low-budget sports car with impressive performance. Comment down below which other affordable sports cars you think deserve to be on this list, and don't forget to like and subscribe.